Hello and welcome to the Cubanas TV, a news channel that keeps you updated on everything going on in the country. Welcome once again, my people. Sit tight as you're about to be updated on what is going on in Nigeria. Note that here at Cubanas TV, we keep you updated on everything happening in every sector of Nigeria. From politics to religions to academics to business to sports, entertainment, music, movies, we keep you updated on everything going on in each sectors because we want you to be carried along in whatever is going on. So if you are yet to subscribe to the Cubanas TV, do well to click on the subscribe button now, right there in front of you, and be subscribed. And don't forget to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified whenever we make a post, because when you do, YouTube will immediately automatically notify you that the Cubanas TV has made a post, and that way you'll be able to follow through with our post for that day. Let's listen to the news headline for today. CJN orders transfer of Rivers Assembly matters from Justice Palm Court 4 to Obele Court 2. The Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, Honorable Justice John Toshu, had ordered the transfer of the cases challenging the defection of the 25 state lawmakers in Rivers State from People's Democratic Party (PDP) to All Progressive Congress (APC). Toshu ordered that the cases be transferred from Federal High Court 14 Port Harcourt, presided over by Justice Stephen Palm, to the Court 2 headed by Justice E.O. Obele. Earlier, the Federal High Court sitting in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, fixed June 28 for hearing the case seeking to sack Speaker Amehele, led House of Assembly, following the lawmakers' alleged defection to All Progressive Congress (APC). The presiding judge, Justice Stephen Palm, heard the suit instituted by the both party against Amehele and 24 others, despite a petition of the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, Justice John Toshu, by Amehele seeking the transfer of the matter to another court. As you see that the issue of this chairman that wanted those House of Reps that wanted to move from PDP to APC are currently still ongoing, and no final decision has been made as they've been asked to transfer away from the Port Harcourt Court 4 in order for more diversity and fairness in the judging of the state, because at the moment a lot of things are going on the ground. People are denying that certain things should not be done, and for that it has been asked that the Port Harcourt Court 2, the case be transferred to Obele Court, Port Harcourt Court 4 to Obele Court 2, so that further investigation can be done pertaining this issue currently on ground about the 24 concerning the speaker and 24 other that wanted to defect from PDP to All Progressive Congress, that's the APC. And that is the news for today. Let me know what you think about this news in the comment section. What are your thoughts? What are your observations? Let us know what you think about this news. Your opinion matters to us. We want to know your thought about this news. We want to know what your observations are. We want to know what your opinions are. So please comment below in the comment section your thoughts, your observation, and your opinions about this news. Don't forget that this is the Cubanas TV, a news channel that keeps you updated on everything going on in Nigeria, in every sector in Nigeria. So if you are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button right now, right there, so you can be subscribed to the Cubanas TV. Don't forget that it is important that you turn on your post notification so that whenever we make a post on YouTube will immediately automatically notify you that we've made a post, and in so doing you'll be updated and you'll be able to follow through. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Once again, thank you for tuning in and see you